Hey everybody, good evening. This is Gabriel from Ace Vacuum Cleaners in Fairfax, Virginia. On today's video, we're going to be talking about Miele's two power head nozzles. That is Miele Electro Plus, and we have Miele Electro Premium, the upgraded version of the Miele Electro Plus. So let me start with the upgraded version of it. That is Miele Electro Premium SEV 236. This comes with an upgraded feature of bright LED lights, as you can see here, whereas the Electro Plus is missing on that LED lights. Both are very good on carpets of all types. Comes with 5-type height adjustment. Both of them come with that. And we're going to be talking about the release pedal on both these power heads. This one you have is very compact. It's just much sleeker and it's got a very thin profile. It's much lighter, not much heavier or bulkier as compared to the Electro Plus, which is bulkier, heavier. And it comes with, this one comes with huge plastic wheels, whereas the Electro Premium, it comes with smaller rubber wheels. That's very smooth on hard floors. It doesn't leave any scratch. And talking about the brush roll, as you can see, both have similar brush rolls. This one's much bigger than the Premium, but the Premium has these deep lines, as you can see here, in case of wrapping of hair or threads. You can easily just cut through them and clear your brush rolls, whereas here you don't have that option. So that way the brush roll is really better than the Electro Plus. And even both the power nozzles come with a squeegee for your hard floors. And the Premium comes with a multi-function sensor here, as you can see. In case of brush roll jamming, the light goes on, and once the jam is cleared, you can just reset it like that and it'll be good to go. Whereas the Electro Plus lacks in that feature. So that's one of the talking points of these two power nozzles. And let's see the power on these. This comes with 1.4 amp motor speed, and this upgraded one, it comes with 1.3. And let me show you the speed of both the power nozzles. Let's try it out on the Electro Plus. We just release the pedal and turn on. That's the speed of the 1.4 amp motor on the Electro Plus. It's just flying. Okay. Let us now try it out on the Electro Premium, the upgraded one. This comes with 1.3 amp motor and with a release pedal. Yeah, that's the speed as compared to the Electro Plus. It's got a decent speed, but as you can see, the LED lights up where you can just take it to the tight spaces and challenging lighting situations. The LED lights help you a great deal for vacuuming, whereas the Electro Plus lacks in that. So that's one of the talking points of these power nozzles. One is better than the other, so it is for you to decide which one to make as a better choice. Whereas this is like $50 more than the Electrolux. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Till next time, bye bye.